This building is one of the famous traditional houses from Indonesia. To be precise, it comes from the Minangkabau tribe. Pusat Dokumentasi Informasi Kebudayaan Minangkabau, or PDIKM in short, also can be called Minangkabau Cultural Documentation Information Center, take form as the Rumah Kadang as its representation. It has a lot of many philosophical sites, both from the inside and the outside building itself. And this is PDIKM. Hey, I'm Defki Ramadhan and welcome to our channel. I'm here to explain PDIKM briefly. First of all, Rumah Kadang is an icon of the Minangkabau culture itself, and this one is located in my hometown, which is Padang Panjang, West Sumatra. The architecture, construction, internal-external decoration, and the function of the house reflect the culture and the values of the Minangkabau. A Rumah Kadang serves as residence, a hall for family meetings and for ceremonial activities. Called Kadang because originally contained numerous family members from nuclear family to other extended family like grandfather, uncle or auntie, and other closest relative. This building and the place is very spacious. This one particular Rumah Kadang is altered and used as the information center of the form in 7-tier Rumah Kadang with 4 rangkaian lining in the front yard, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. PDIKM is a library that contains various documents and information about Minangkabau culture in the form of photos, documents, books, magazines, newspaper, film, and microfilms. PDIKM has a large cultural park and arranged in such way as aesthetically and has several facilities so that visitors can carry out various activities such as reading, relaxing, or researching about Minangkabau culture. You also can try wearing Minangkabau traditional clothes or simply doing some photo hunting in here. So you won't be bored. Give it a try and it'll be worth it. See you next time.